Alright, this is about December 28th, about 9:30 a.m. and yeah, right here. I'm at Pig and the Lady and yeah, I just placed an order. The Vietnamese grilled barbecue chicken plate. Right? And that's yeah, right there. Okay. Then got my order. Now I'm just trying to find where to eat. Wow, no space at all. Anywhere. Okay. So I just got mine. And then there we go. Right there. It costs $18. Right? Yeah. And they gave it to me in a bag. So okay. Okay, you know what? So alright, so it seems like the tables are all taken. Alright, so busy. Okay, the pig and the lady. Right here. Okay. Alright. So seems like I'm gonna have to go back to the car and eat at the car. Cause yeah. Alright. Alright, I just came out of KCC Farmers Market area and you see all these people. Yeah. Yeah. So in a parking structure nearby. Yeah, there was a table. Alright. So this is where I'm having my breakfast. Okay. And yeah, right here, this is the package. Then so wow, pretty good amount here. Alright, so that's my breakfast. Alright. Okay. Oh, good amounts. This is a lot. Alright. Alright, here we go. Finally, I get to enjoy my breakfast. Wow, they give a lot. Okay. Oh, it's a fried rice. Mm. Oh, very good. And oh, it's a ham. Alright. Fried rice is a good taste. Oh, it's chicken. Wow, they do give a lot. And definitely is good. This is a lot to have as a breakfast. Like after this, most likely I'm gonna skip lunch. Yeah, and I have a very light dinner. Mm.
그냥 한 개만 사. 근데 낱개로 사.
Gonna go look at the cactuses.
Yeah, they have the seasoning just right. So good. This fried rice is very different, very good. Not too strong, just right taste. eating with the chicken. Just the right touch of seasoning.
편하냐? 몇 기가 썼다고? 우리 둘이 지금 1기가 썼는데 이 물을 띄워놨길래 그래.
Just the right taste. Wow. It was good. Good breakfast. Alright. So, this has been a very good breakfast. I said thank you for watching.